Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, amphotericin B and renal failure. Okay, amphotericin B and renal failure. Amphotericin B will have two things. One, mainly it is caused by pre-renal mechanism, not by renal mechanism. And additionally, it also damages the kidney, thus resulting in renal mechanism also. But in the question, if you were asked which method or mechanism of by which mechanism will amphotericin B causes acute kidney injury, that is by pre-renal mechanism amphotericin B causes acute kidney injury.
thank you and thank you for watching.